Man Matters Hair Oil in Derma Roller. Man Matters Hair Oil is best hair oil for hair growth and hair care. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Man Matters Hair Oil is an Ayurvedic blend of 5 oils like Bhringraj, Shikakai, Onion, Amla and Brahmi oil. Bhringraj is a herb that is considered as a rasayana or rejuvenator. Shikakai is a soothing agent which maintains scalp health. Onion and Amla are revered as hair reviver ingredients while Brahmi protects hair and boosts volume. Together they boost hair health, maintain scalp and result in voluminous, shiny and smooth hair. Man Matters Hair Oil is best hair oil for hair growth and hair care. Mix the age-old tradition of oiling with a scientific tool made to stimulate your scalp. Man Matters Hair Oil and Activator is the perfect duo for natural, healthier hair. This derma roller is a handheld device with 540 titanium alloy micro needles which open up the scalp and boost circulation. It has a recommended needle length of 0.5 mm which requires firm yet gentle pressure to maximize benefits and minimize discomfort. Part your hair and roll over your scalp multiple times before or after you apply the tonic. The oil boosts hair nourishment and maintains scalp health, and when used along the activator, it works even faster. The activator allows the oil to seep in faster by opening up scalp follicles and boosting circulation, letting the oil work more effectively. Man Matters Hair Oil comes with onion oil, Bhringraj oil, Brahmi oil, Shikakai oil, and Amal oil. Onion oil increases keratin and collagen production. Bhringraj oil improves blood circulation to the roots. Brahmi oil activates protein that strengthens your hair naturally. Shikakai oil soothes your scalp and restores hair health. Amal oil hydrates your strands. This duo is clinically tested and safe to use. Together is an easy and at-home method to give yourself professional care and see quicker results. Man Matters Hair Oil in Derma Roller. Man Matters Hair Oil is best hair oil for hair growth and hair care. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.